Braun has great gift ideas for men. Treat him to something long-lasting with lifetime sharp blades for even beard trimming, hair clipping. Hell, enjoy the flexibility of having 13 length settings with only 4 combs for a range of different beard hairstyles. 9-in-1 kit includes face beard trimmer, hair trimmer, body groomer, ear nose trimmer, clean shave razor. Lifetime lasting power, 60 minutes of precision trimming from a 60-minute charge. 100% waterproof rechargeable trimmer for in-shower use. The Braun multi-grooming kit automatically adapts to any voltage between 100 volts and 240 volts. Free Gillette Fusion5 ProGlide razor with FlexBall technology for clean shaving on neck and face. Beard trimming. Achieve any beard style with 4 precision combs for stubble, short, medium or long beards. Hair clipping. Adjust the length from 0.5 to 21 mm for any desired haircut. Contour edging. Perfect your style with the detail trimmer attachment and free Gillette Fusion ProGlide razor with FlexBall technology. Body grooming. Safely maintain all areas of your body, from your chest to abs, to your underarms and groin area. Plus, remove ear and nose hair effectively without painfully tugging. Top reviews from the United States. Nice trimmer. Does what it's supposed to. Has held a charge for 2 months now as I use it quite a bit. Plenty of power as I have a pretty coarse beard, burns right through it.